Hello, today we will guide you through how to add timestamps to Zoom recordings. If you want your Zoom recordings to show the time as the video plays, this setting is quick to turn on and can be very useful. Timestamps can make it easier to reference specific moments in a meeting, training, or presentation, especially when you need to review content later. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can access your account options and settings without interruption. Once Zoom is open, move to the top right corner of the app and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps your personal app options and preferences. If you are already signed in, you should see your profile image or account icon there. After opening that menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the main area where Zoom lets you control different features of the app, including audio, video, meeting behavior, and recording preferences. Inside Settings, look for the Recording section and click on it. This section contains the options related to how your Zoom recordings are saved and displayed. If you record meetings often, this is a helpful area to become familiar with, since several useful recording features are located here. In the recording settings, look for the option labeled Include Timestamp. Take a moment to scan the available settings carefully, since there may be several recording options listed together. You want to make sure you select the correct one. When you find Include Timestamp, click the toggle button to turn it on. Once enabled, Zoom will include timestamps in your recordings going forward. This means future recordings should display the time information automatically, helping viewers follow along more easily and making content review more efficient. If the toggle changes to its active state, that usually confirms the setting has been enabled successfully. In most cases, the change is saved automatically, so you do not need to look for a separate Save button. And that's it. You've successfully turned on timestamps for your Zoom recordings. If you plan to record an important session, it can be a good idea to double-check this setting beforehand, just to make sure everything is configured the way you want. Thanks for following along, and that's how to add timestamps to Zoom recordings.